call. Tika, what would I do?
Would you not just click on?
So it is 5:30 p.m. I leave tomorrow in the early morning, so that's really fun. And I haven't packed, so we're gonna take you along as we pack, we prep, we get ready to leave. I was like, let's make some ravioli to procrastinate, because I really don't like packing. I'm gonna give it a B for presentation and include a video. And also it's a little bit overcooked, but I think that says a lot. Okay, so basically what I've been doing is to basically just throw all the clothes that I think I could vaguely potentially want to take with me down to London. I've just thrown them into the suitcase. And yeah, the task is firstly to pack the stuff that's already in and to check that that's actually what I want to take. And then check basically more clothes that I have here to see if I want to take those as well. And then probably do a run of laundry as well to wash some stuff to take. And yeah, hopefully that doesn't take too long. Like this video if you hate packing. If you like packing, also like this video. I don't want y'all to feel left out. It is now almost 7 p.m. I've had a pretty packed careers-oriented day, I guess. So I started off this morning with the pre-internship call, and then 2 hours later I was in. Oh, that is a reminder to start this call. And then 2 hours later, I was in an SEO training session. We went over some Excel stuff. It was really intense, actually. So it was from 1 to 5, and it was just really, really good. Like, I learned so much, and honestly, Excel is a pretty amazing software, if you ask me. And now it is 7, and I am hopping a call with an analyst in my team. So you're just gonna touch base, introduce myself, get to know the team a little bit, and yeah, that should be the end of today. Great, thank you. And have you been back to the office yet, or has sort of Fig said anything about, you know, you guys returning? Morning guys, so it is 7:45 the next day. We're getting ready to leave. And yeah, last night, literally packing took forever. I think I finished like close to midnight. Leaving home to an internship in another city is quite significant. The best case scenario is that the internship converts into a full-time job, requiring you to live in that city. So I guess the first time you leave for the internship could be the last time you call the old city home.